Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Demi Jane is here. Today's video is going to be update skincare routine. I know I've already posted a skincare video last year. I'm doing this again because I've been using the new products. So gusto ko yung i-share sa inyo. First is I am going to show you the Garnier SkinActive I'm not sure how to pronounce this, Micellar or Micellar, I don't know, but it's a cleansing water that removes your makeup and refresh your skin and cleans your skin. So I use this to remove my makeup. So before kong hugasan yung mukha ko, wash my face, I use this cleansing water. So I've already used this because I took a shower. Nagamit ko na siya, so madali lang naman siyang gamitin. Merong instructions sa likod ng product na to. And then next is, since nga, just like what I said, that I already took a shower, so I already washed my face. After kong gamitin ng cleansing water, I wash my face with this. It is a deep action exfoliating scrub. I've already showed this from my previous video, and hindi ganun ka scrubby siya. So parang smooth lang siya. I love this product. I already washed my face with this. Pagkatapos mong hugasan yung mukha mo with this product, I use this Essential Deep Cleaning Toner. I also showed this product from my previous skincare video. So I haven't used this, so I'm gonna show it to you guys how I used it. I use this to clean or tone my face. Kung hindi sapat yung paglilinis nyo ng mukha with this deep action exfoliating scrub, mag-toner kayo. This is how I do my skincare routine. And also guys, I forgot to mention, aside from this clean and clear deep action exfoliating scrub, I am also using Saint IVES. Here, the picture. Facial scrub. Hindi siya pang scrub ng whiteheads or blackheads. Instead na kinukutkot like what I did. My nose is red because nagkutkot ako ng whiteheads. Hindi ko kasi nadala yung facial scrub ko na yun dito. Anyway, so let's go ahead now and apply this toner. So basically, I just rub this to my face. All over my face. Especially sa ilong ko kasi doon ako palagi tinutubuan ng whiteheads at ng blackheads. Ginagamit ko din siyang panglinis sa leeg. Nagugas na ako ng mukha, marumi pa rin yung nasa bulak. Kapag hindi ka na kontento sa paggamit ng toner, you can clean it again with new cotton. Ako, parang okay naman na siya. Pakiramdam ko malinis na siya. Next na ipapakita ko sa inyo ay ang aking face serum. NEUTROGENA Hydrating Face Serum. I refilled it with small container kasi nandito nga ako sa Florida, and whenever I am traveling, I always refill containers. Gusto ko makasave ng space sa aking luggage. I really love this product because na-hydrate yung mukha ko. Ito ang itsura niya sa aking container. Then ang ginagawa ko is dot lang sa aking face. And then minamassage ko yung face serum sa aking mukha. Sobrang smooth niya sa mukha. Then hanggang leeg. And then, I just keep continuing massaging my face hanggang parang mag-dry na siya sa aking mukha. Dry na siya sa aking mukha. Next ko naman na gagawin is I will apply moisturizer Clean and Clear. I also refill it to my container. Here. This acne face moisturizer. So maganda siya kung ma-acne yung mukha mo. minamassage ko din siya sa aking mukha. Then, ina-apply ko yung sobra sa aking leeg. Pakiramdam niya sa mukha is cool. So, after all of my skincare product, I use eye drops. Yan, pinaiyak niyo ako. Just kidding. And then, hinahayaan ko lang siyang matuyo. Next is, my final skincare product is my lip scrub. Habang ako ay naglalagay ng mga produkto sa aking mukha, meron ako ng lip balm. So, that's the first step. Last step, yung lip scrub. Ganito lang yung ginagawa ko, guys. Hirarub ko lang siya sa lips ko. So, gamit lang ako ng tissue. And then, inaalis ko lang yung mga lagpas-lagpas. Later, tatanggalin ko siya kapag I will get ready for today. That's it, guys. That's my skincare routine update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching.